Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment section and write, PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer, did you know? You are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork. As of today, you are a millionaire. Speculation is rife about PiNetwork potentially being listed on Binance, the foremost cryptocurrency exchange. PiNetwork offers a novel, energy-efficient mobile phone mining approach democratizing cryptocurrency mining for smartphone users. The PiNetwork team is focused on developing a decentralized open mainnet before pursuing exchange listings. A Binance listing could increase Pi's liquidity and market access, potentially leading to mainstream adoption. Such a listing may also bring risks like regulatory scrutiny, market volatility, and challenges in maintaining decentralization. PiNetwork's energy-efficient model is aligned with future market trends, making its potential growth a topic of keen interest. The crypto world is buzzing with speculation that PiNetwork might soon be listed on Binance, the leading cryptocurrency exchange. PiNetwork has captured global attention since its 2019 launch, offering a unique mobile phone mining approach that requires minimal energy. This innovative model taps into a decentralized vision, making cryptocurrency mining accessible to anyone with a smartphone. The core team at PiNetwork has remained cautious, focusing on building a decentralized open mainnet before jumping into exchange listings. However, whispers of a potential Binance listing have captured the community's imagination, intensifying excitement. Binance is known for adopting promising technologies, and if Pi were to join their ranks, it could dramatically enhance PiNetwork's integration into the larger crypto market. A listing on Binance could result in several transformative outcomes. For starters, it would boost Pi's liquidity, presenting it as an attractive option for investors. Additionally, it might broaden market access, exposing PiNetwork to millions more users and paving the way for mainstream acceptance. Yet this potential leap is not without risks. A Binance listing could invite regulatory scrutiny and expose Pi's value to market volatility, with the possibility of overvaluation followed by steep corrections. Moreover, for PiNetwork to seize its moment effectively, it must navigate these challenges by achieving a fully decentralized mainnet. In a landscape increasingly keen on energy-efficient solutions, PiNetwork's distinct model may align well with future market trends. Whether this potential Binance collaboration will cement PiNetwork's place in the crypto realm is an unfolding story that keeps enthusiasts and analysts alike eagerly waiting for official announcements. The PiNetwork surge. Could a Binance listing change everything? Pros and cons of PiNetwork listing on Binance. Increased liquidity. A Binance listing could greatly enhance Pi's liquidity, drawing in more investors and offering ease of transactions. Broader market access. This move would expose PiNetwork to millions of users worldwide, potentially fostering mainstream acceptance. Enhanced credibility. Partnering with a renowned platform like Binance could add credibility, potentially influencing investor confidence positively. Regulatory scrutiny. With the elevated profile comes increased attention from regulators, which could lead to unforeseen challenges. Market volatility. Inclusion in a large exchange could expose the coin to sudden price swings, leading to possible overvaluation. Pressure on decentralization goals. The need for speed might pressure the network to compromise on its decentralization ideals in pursuit of rapid integration. PiNetwork's energy-efficient, mobile-based mining mechanism provides enhanced security features. By minimizing energy use, PiNetwork addresses environmental and sustainability concerns while reducing the likelihood of centralization through energy costs. The mobile-first, decentralized mining approach democratizes crypto earnings, potentially leading to a more secure and inclusive network. PiNetwork's model represents a shift towards user-friendly, energy-efficient crypto mining strategies. By enabling mining through smartphones, PiNetwork democratizes crypto access, potentially setting a trend for eco-friendly mining solutions. There's an increasing global trend towards eco-consciousness, which Pi's model aligns with, offering potential to align with future sustainable innovations. Continued growth. If listed, PiNetwork could see significant user base expansion, aligning with projected trends of increased cryptocurrency adoption. A Binance collaboration might attract more institutional and corporate partnerships, further enhancing market credibility and reach. What impact would a Binance listing have on PiNetwork's market value?